In this video, I want to teach you guys about one of the golden rules of braking and riding motorcycles. And really, that's not a huge secret, but it's something that can be found among the best riders in the world. And this video takes place at the Rock Store, which is off of Mulholland Drive, up above Malibu in Southern California. This is one of the most popular motorcycle roads in California, and probably the world. Now, the rule is that on your right hand, you always want to keep your pointer finger covering the brake. I know, pretty simple, right? Well, unfortunately, a lot of beginners don't do this. Now, by keeping your right pointer finger over the brake, as you've probably noticed in all of the videos you've been watching thus far, or maybe you haven't noticed it, what this does is it makes your reaction time of braking your motorcycle probably 5 times faster by having that one finger over the brake. Now, with one finger over the brake, the small braking that you need to do, maybe as you're entering a turn, or maybe just to slow down 5 or 10 miles an hour, not real rapidly, you can use just one finger here and there. Now, it's also extremely important when you're making a panic stop to have one of your fingers already covering the brake. And I should be more specific, not one of your fingers, but that your right pointer finger specifically is the one that you're going to want to have over there. Now, going back to a panic stop, this is vital in a panic stop. You can initiate your braking with your one pointer finger, and as you need more power to brake, you can lift up your second or even a third finger to brake. Typically, in most stops that aren't panic or aggressive stops, I only use 2 fingers on the brakes. Now, if I really need to stop very quickly, I'll use a third finger. Very rarely do I reach my entire hand, all 4 fingers, up and around the brake lever and brake in the front. When I was learning how to ride motorcycles as I was growing up and riding bikes often, I was never really specifically taught this technique. I just kind of assumed that it was the best way to do it over the years and just naturally gained that good habit. And then after really researching motorcycling and really getting into motorcycling and studying good riding practices and techniques, I found that most all professional motorcycle riders do this, and they have this habit of resting one of their fingers up over the brake lever. So I would definitely recommend this. It's a good habit to get into as you're starting to learn how to ride motorcycles, and it could save you from, rear-ending somebody or taking a tumble. So, again, something very simple, but something also very, very important, and just a really good practice as you're learning how to brake effectively.